Welcome to another episode of Tech Insights, and today we're diving into the different types of Google search results that show up in Google's search engine results pages, SERP. If you've ever searched something on Google, you've seen those results. But did you know there are various types of results? Today, we'll break them down in a way that's easy to understand. Whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or just a curious internet user, let's get started. When you type a query into Google, the results aren't all the same. They're a mix of different formats designed to give you the best possible information quickly and effectively. Understanding these results can help you improve your search strategy, whether you're creating content, doing SEO, or just curious about how Google works. Now, let's explore the main types of Google search results in the SERP. Search Result 1. Organic search results. First up, we have the classic organic search results. These are the standard results you see on most search engine result pages. They are usually listed by relevance and quality of content, based on Google's algorithms. Organic results are not influenced by paid ads and typically come from web pages that Google's crawlers have indexed. Example: let's say you search for best pizza places near me. The organic results will show a list of websites or blog posts that mention great pizza restaurants. These are naturally ranked based on factors like content quality, SEO, backlinks, and user experience. Search Result 2. Paid ads, Google Ads. Next, we have paid ads. These are ads you see at the top or bottom of a search result page, marked as ad or sponsored. These results are placed there because advertisers pay Google to display them when certain keywords are searched. Example: for instance, if you search for buy running shoes, you may notice some links at the top with ad next to them. These are paid advertisements from shoe brands or online retailers who've bid for the keyword running shoes. Paid ads don't appear because of content relevance. They appear because advertisers are paying for visibility, which can often lead to immediate traffic for their websites. Search Result 3. Featured snippets. Let's talk about featured snippets. These are the boxed snippets that appear at the top of the search results. Google pulls these directly from a web page to provide a concise, quick answer to your question right at the top of the page. Example: if you search for how to boil an egg, you'll often see a featured snippet with a direct answer showing the steps right at the top. It's a great example of how Google's trying to give you the information you need without requiring you to click any links. Featured snippets are often pulled from authoritative sources that Google trusts and provide the most direct and useful information for specific queries. Search Result 4. Knowledge Graph Panel. Now, let's move to the Knowledge Graph Panel. This is the box that appears on the right side of the search results and provides a summary of information about a person, place, or thing you're searching for. Example: if you search for Albert Einstein, you'll notice a knowledge graph that shows key details like his birth date, achievements, and even a picture of him. It's all the quick info you might need without having to click on a website. Google gets this data from trusted sources like Wikipedia, data providers, and government sites, offering a snapshot of the entity you're looking for. Search Result 5. Local Pack. Map results. Next up is the local pack. If your query has local intent, for example, restaurants near me or plumbers in San Francisco, you'll likely see a map and a list of local businesses. Example: when searching for best coffee shop in New York, Google will show a map with pins on various coffee shops and provide information like ratings, hours of operation, and contact details directly in the search results. This is especially useful for people searching for services and businesses in their area, and it's a great opportunity for local businesses to show up in front of nearby customers. Search results 6. Image results. Then we have image results, which are exactly what they sound like, images that appear in the search results. This type of result is especially helpful when you're searching for visual content, like nature photography or recipes with images. Example: if you search for dog breeds, the search results will likely show a series of images of different dog breeds, often with a link to the website where the image is located. Search result 7. Video results. Another common result is video results. This shows video content directly in the search results, often from platforms like YouTube. This is useful when you want to see a tutorial, review, or any other type of video content. For example, if you search for how to play the guitar, you might see video results from YouTube right on the SERP that give you step-by-step lessons on how to play the guitar. Search result 8. Twitter and social media results. You may also see social media results directly in the search engine results page, such as tweets from Twitter or posts from other social media platforms like Instagram or Facebook. Example: if you search for a trending hashtag or celebrity name, you might see tweets related to that person or event right in the search results. Search result 9. Carousel results. Another interesting result format is the carousel. This typically appears for things like movies, products, news, or even things like recipes. RIT allows you to scroll through a set of images or links within the SERP. For example, if you search for movies to watch on Netflix, you might see a carousel of popular Netflix movies, with images and clickable links to each one. Search result 10. Google shopping results. Google shopping results are another type of result where Google pulls up products related to your search, often with images, prices, and links to purchase the item from various online stores. Example: let's say you search for buy headphones. The Google shopping section will display a list of headphones with their prices, ratings, and purchase links from various e-commerce sites. So, as you can see, Google's SERP is full of different results designed to help users find what they're looking for in the most efficient way possible. From organic listings to paid ads, to featured snippets and more, each type of result serves a unique purpose depending on the search query. As a marketer, understanding these different result types can help you tailor your SEO and content strategies to get the most out of your efforts. And for users, it's good to understand how Google organizes its search results to find the most relevant information quickly. That wraps up today's episode of Tech Insights. I hope this breakdown of Google's SERP helps you better understand how Google displays its results. If you enjoyed the show, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time.